As a project management expert, I've had my hands on a wide array of tools designed to bring order to chaos. Smartsheet is one such platform that frequently comes up in discussions about work management, collaboration, and project tracking. It's renowned for its spreadsheet-like interface combined with powerful project management features. When considering any tool for your team, one of the first and most critical questions is always, how much does Smartsheet cost? The simple answer is that Smartsheet's cost varies, and it's structured in a tiered pricing model, meaning what you pay depends on the features you need, the number of users you have, and how you choose to be billed, monthly versus annually. They also offer a free plan with significant limitations and advanced plans with custom pricing. Let's break down Smartsheet's pricing plans to give you a clear understanding. Smartsheet's pricing philosophy, users, and features. Smartsheet's pricing is primarily based on two factors: number of licensed users, or members. These are the core users who can create, edit, and manage sheets, reports, and dashboards. Smartsheet typically charges per licensed user. Feature set. As you move up the tiers, you unlock more advanced capabilities like increased automation limits, enhanced reporting, robust integrations, and enterprise-grade security features. It's also important to note the difference between licensed users and collaborators or viewers. Smartsheet allows for a generous number of free collaborators, sometimes called guests, and viewers, who can access and sometimes edit shared sheets without needing a paid license, though their capabilities are limited. This can be a cost-saving measure for projects involving many external stakeholders or those who only need view access. Smartsheet's core pricing tiers. As of early 2025, Smartsheet generally offers 4 main pricing tiers. Free plan, cost $0. Best for individuals or those just trying out the platform for very basic task tracking. What you get? This plan is quite limited. You typically get 1 licensed user and up to 2 editors. You can create a very small number of sheets, e.g., 2 sheets, access basic views, grid, card, calendar, and perform limited automations. Support is usually restricted to community forums. Project managers take. While it's great for personal use or a quick test drive, don't expect to manage complex team projects here. It quickly hits limitations, especially for collaboration and automation. It's more of a free trial that converts to a very basic free account. Pro plan. Cost. Around $9 per user per month. When billed annually, it's typically more expensive if billed monthly. Best for small teams, up to 10 users, who need structured task management and basic project tracking. What you get? This plan significantly expands on the free plan. You get unlimited sheets, forms, and reports. It includes all core views, Gantt, grid, card, calendar. Allows for more automations per month, e.g., 250, and offers basic email support. Integrations with common tools like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace are also included. Project managers take. This is the entry point for real team collaboration and project management in Smartsheet. It's suitable for small projects with limited complexity. However, if your team grows beyond 10 licensed users, or if you need more advanced automation or reporting, you'll likely outgrow this plan. Business plan. Cost. Around $19 per user per month. When billed annually, again, higher for monthly. This plan typically requires a minimum of 3 users, but then allows unlimited licensed users. Best for growing teams and departments managing larger, more complex projects with multiple stakeholders. What you get? The business plan includes everything in the Pro plan plus substantial upgrades. You get unlimited automations, unlimited dashboards, advanced collaboration features, like unlimited guests/viewers, expanded storage, and more robust administrative controls, e.g., group management, user provisioning. It also offers advanced integrations with platforms like Jira and Salesforce, as well as features like document builder and proofing. Priority support is usually included. Project managers take. This is where Smartsheet really shines for mid-sized organizations. The unlimited automations and dashboards are crucial for scaling project management processes and gaining deeper insights. The ability to collaborate with unlimited guests is a huge benefit for working with clients or external vendors without incurring additional costs per external user. Enterprise Plan/Advanced Work Management. Cost. Custom pricing. You need to contact Smartsheet sales for a quote. Best for large organizations, enterprises, and highly regulated industries with complex workflows, advanced security, and comprehensive governance needs. What you get? This plan builds on the business plan by adding enterprise-grade features. These include single sign-on, SSO, directory integration, advanced security controls, audit reports, enhanced administrative tools, like the Enterprise Plan Manager, and premium support with service-level agreements, SLAs. It often includes access to advanced tiers, which unlock premium capabilities like Control Center for portfolio management, Dynamic View for secure, role-based data visibility, and Bridge for intelligent workflows across systems. Project managers take for large-scale deployments where data security, compliance, and centralized control are paramount. The enterprise plan is essential. The portfolio management capabilities and advanced integrations can transform how large organizations manage their entire project ecosystem. However, this level of functionality comes at a significant cost, which is why it's custom quoted.